Hi, this is Sophie from Artinis Medical Systems. In this video, I will explain the Dual Brite synchronization functionality in OxySoft. This is a feature that is only incorporated in OxySoft version 4 or higher and only works with newer Brite family devices. As OxySoft enables connecting multiple devices at the same time, two Brites can be combined on one head cap to cover larger brain areas. When using older device marks, the optodes of two Brites should be placed at least 6 cm apart to avoid crosstalk between the optodes of two devices. Now, we incorporated the Dual Brite synchronization feature in OxySoft, which allows to place the optodes of two Brite devices close or next to each other without the necessity of keeping 6 cm distance. When connecting two Brites in the device selection window, the application mode can now be chosen. If both devices are used on the same subject, choose Dual Brite. Upon choosing for Dual Brite, OxySoft will synchronize the Brites. You can place the Brite device in every desired way on the head cap to enlarge coverage of brain areas. In the optode template window, select the optode templates you choose for each device. The sync status between Brites can be monitored during a measurement. This can be done by plotting the sync status traces of both devices. To do so, in the Create All Graphs window, select Polygraph in the ADC channel to display the synchronization state graph of both Brite devices next to the relative hemoglobin concentration changes. Then, add the sync status trace of both devices or system IDs. Press OK to continue. The sync status of both devices is then displayed as ADC graph during the pre-recording mode and measurement. When both devices are synchronized, both traces are at 2. If the sync between two devices is lost, the sync status changes to 1, and an event sync off is automatically inserted in OxySoft. Once the connection is re-established, an event saying sync on is inserted and the sync status will revert to 2. If the Bluetooth connection of one or both devices is lost, the sync status cannot be updated anymore. In this case, a message will occur indicating that the sync status has not been updated for more than 5 seconds. When the Brites reconnect via Bluetooth, the sync status will be updated. If missing samples are detected, the repair function can be used. In case of a Dual Brite measurement, missing sync events will then also be added. To learn more on how to use the repair function, please watch our video How to Recover Your Nearest Data in OxySoft. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would like to learn more about other new features in OxySoft version 4 and higher, please watch our playlist on OxySoft 4.